Hello, I'm Ted and welcome back to my world of railway modelling. Um, there are parts of it now, the scenery that's almost pretty well finished, so I'll just like to show those now. I'll start with the pool area. Quite pleased with this actually. I think it's fairly realistic looking. Sun's just come out shining on this camera. I can't really see what I'm filming now. I just hope it comes out okay. Anyway, there are fish in there. I'm not sure if you can see them. I think the fishermen are looking in the wrong place. A couple of ladies over there practicing in their canoe. Fairly pleased with the water. I actually used epoxy resin glue to form the waterfall and painted over with ordinary scenic resin, and then a drop of white paint to simulate the glossy appearance with the sun shining on it. Comes from way up there in the hills. Something's flashing again and I don't really know what it is, just hope it's filming okay. Most of the scenery is actually finished now, but I've still got a lot of signs, road, railway, a couple for the shop here. And then at the end of it, I've got to light up all the buildings. That should take a while, but I've got all the holes drilled and everything now, so shouldn't be too long. That's Hiker's Bridge for the cliff top walk. There's the other one over the fall itself. I'll just come round to the right now and show you if I can, because I can't. The sun's very bright now. The castle's pretty well finished now. Just added some ivy, heather. Quite pleased with that. Brings us over to the nitrist club. This is finished now, I'm happy to say. As you can see, the nails are pretty graphic. Couple of old 60s cars. Morris 1000 convertible. Exactly the same colours our daughter Debbie's car, which witchy called Tilbert. I've no idea why, but that's daughters for you. That's the Morris 1000 van. My first four-wheel vehicle I had. Ford Corsair from the 60s. Probably Ford's and tractor. Now that car in the front there is what was it? Austin 1300 GH8. My brother's first car. Over here, it's my dream sports car, which I need to win the lottery to buy. E-Type Jaguar, beautiful car. Passenger wanting a V12. Went like a bullet. I think that's pretty well it for now. I did a bit more work on the rocks, as you can see. I'm tempted to give it a coat of matte acrylic varnish. Just might bring out the colour a bit more. I'll try a little sample piece first. The only work I've got to do really on the scenery wise is the outside of the oval on the outside here. This isn't finished, but this won't take too long because I'm not going to go too much trouble with this. So there you go. Hopefully do another one in about 4 or 5 weeks again. So I'll leave it at that for now then. Hope everyone's keeping well. See you in early spring probably. Bye then.